first. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you have to keep moving. Moving forward in your career, you need to have balance, which I think will be important. Second, remember that the only thing dangerous, more dangerous than arrogance, is ignorance. You'll have to shun both. Thirdly, in matters of style, swim with the current. In matters of principles, stand like a rock. Both these aspects will be important as you move forward in life. Lastly, the true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. My advice, pursue both relentlessly. You all are joining service at a time when profound changes are taking place. Geopolitical, geoeconomic, and technological changes. Even war and warfare is at the cusp of a major revolution. Indian Defence Forces are committed to adapt to changing environment and imbibe reforms to remain ready and relevant. A Chinese philosopher, Sun Tzu, had once said, "If you know the enemy and know yourself, you need not fear the results of 100 battles." That wisdom still endures. Today, you march into an era where victory will belong to those who ensure that the adversary knows nothing about us, nor should he know about himself once combat breaks out. In the cognitive battle space, where perception shapes decisions and information dictates tempo, the enemy must be unable to distinguish truth from deception, clarity from confusion, and silhouettes from a shadow. Remember that wars are won by creating and sustaining asymmetry. It's far easier to generate this advantage in emerging domains than in traditional ones. Battles in the older domains will always remain contested, often brutal. But in the new domains, they'll be smart, swift, and shaped by intellect, innovation, and initiative. The force that masters new frontiers is more likely to prevail in future conflicts. In the realm of air warfare, this truth is even sharper. Here, technology is not merely an enabler, it's a decisive factor. A single breakthrough, a single disruptive system can tilt the operational balance. This is why we are relentlessly pursuing new concepts and capabilities.